Hey everyone, it's MKBHD, and today we're diving into the world of home security with the latest Ring Battery Video Doorbell, the 2024 release, and Chime. In a world where package theft and unexpected visitors are, unfortunately, a reality, having a reliable video doorbell is more crucial than ever. The Ring Battery Video Doorbell has become a household name synonymous with peace of mind and home security. This year's model takes things up a notch with some impressive upgrades and refinements. We'll be taking a close look at its standout features, installation process, and how it genuinely enhances your home's security. Let's see how Ring is making our homes smarter and safer in 2025. Imagine this. You're at work, eagerly awaiting the delivery of a brand new tech gadget. Suddenly you receive a notification on your phone. Someone's at your doorstep. It's not your usual delivery person. You quickly open the Ring app and see a suspicious individual eyeing your package. Before they can make off with your hard-earned purchase, you speak through the doorbell's two-way talk feature. "Hey, that's my package. I'm watching you." The surprised would-be thief, startled by the unexpected voice, quickly retreats, leaving your package safe and sound. This, my friends, is just one example of how the Ring Battery Video Doorbell can provide invaluable peace of mind. Now let's unpack what makes this doorbell tick. The Ring Battery Video Doorbell, 2024 edition, is more than just a doorbell. It's a sophisticated security system in a compact, sleek design. It seamlessly integrates with your existing doorbell wiring or runs entirely on battery power, giving you flexibility in installation. The included Chime acts as an indoor alert system, ensuring you never miss a visitor, even if your phone isn't within reach. The Chime plugs into any standard outlet and offers adjustable volume levels and various alert tones. Section 4. Seeing is believing. Key features explained. This doorbell packs some serious tech. First up, we have crystal clear 1080p HD video with a 150-degree field of view. This wide-angle lens ensures you see everything happening at your doorstep, from the package on the ground to the person's face. Speaking of seeing everything, Ring's color night vision is a game changer. Unlike traditional black and white night vision, Ring's enhanced technology illuminates the night with vivid colors, allowing for clear identification, even in low-light conditions. Battery life is always a concern with wireless devices, but Ring has you covered. The 2024 model boasts an extended battery life, lasting for months on a single charge. Plus, it's compatible with existing doorbell wiring for continuous power. And for all you smart home enthusiasts, the Ring Battery Video Doorbell seamlessly integrates with Alexa. You can receive voice announcements on your Echo devices whenever someone's at the door, and even speak to visitors through compatible Alexa-enabled devices. Hands-free convenience at its finest. Section 5. Peace of mind delivered practical benefits. Now let's talk about how these features translate into real-world benefits. Imagine this. You're expecting a fragile package, and you want to ensure it's handled with care. With the Ring app, you can speak directly to the delivery person and request they leave it in a specific location, all while keeping an eye on the delivery in real time. Or let's say you're away on vacation, and your neighbor is watering your plants. With the Ring app's shared access feature, you can grant temporary access to your camera feed, allowing your neighbor to check on things while you're gone. The possibilities are endless. The Ring Battery Video Doorbell isn't just about security, it's about staying connected to your home no matter where you are. Section 6. Ringing in a Safer Future, Final Thoughts. The Ring Battery Video Doorbell 2024 and Chime are more than just a security system. They're a smart investment in your peace of mind. The combination of advanced features, user-friendly design, and seamless integration with existing smart home ecosystems makes it a must-have for any modern homeowner. From deterring potential thieves to keeping an eye on deliveries and staying connected to your home while you're away, the Ring Battery Video Doorbell offers a level of convenience and security that's hard to beat. In a world where our homes are becoming increasingly connected, Ring is leading the charge in making smart home security accessible and effective for everyone. Section 7. Upgrade your home security today. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade your home security and enjoy peace of mind knowing that Ring has your back. Head over to the link in the description below to learn more and order yours today.